HobbyKidsTV.
Hey Hobby Kids, this is HobbyDad, and today we have Imaginext, the Joker Laff Factory, and we're going to open up this awesome Joker Play-Doh surprise egg. Let's open it up and have some fun! Yay! This set comes with a really cool Joker flag with ha 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 written all over it. Right here. Comes with a bike. Oh yeah, Joker's scooter. And a plunger. And a plunger. A plunger. And a wrench. This set comes with a mischief ball. It's kind of padded, but pretty sure it's up to no good. There's little ha 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 marks right here. Ha 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 ha. So let's take a look at the minifigures that come in this awesome set. Alright, this set comes with this Batman. 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 That flag keeps falling. Now this Batman may look familiar because this is the same Batman that comes with our Batcave set. Right here. The only difference is the paint job, but everything else is the same. It has the same cool pattern design. You can actually feel it on his armor. So has all the same cool boots and spelunking armor, same cape, and same Batman smirk. Now you can see they've made some changes to the Joker too. First thing I noticed was his head was a bit different and he has kind of a smirk. Let's compare him to the other Joker figure. Let's take that hammer out of there, Joker. So they've actually revamped him a lot. They have the same paint job, but you can see he has a different bow tie. He has pinstriped pants. He doesn't look as broad. His shoes have more detail, and he has a flower. So a lot of major changes to the Joker. We could put the Joker on his scooter using the holes and the pegs on the bike. His hands fit a lot nicer than the other figures and vehicles. It's kind of a tight fit with the other ones. Oh, let's give him a plunger, because that's just funny. Someone have a backup? According to the instructions, we take this ball right here, open it up, and we put Batman inside. You're going for a ride, Batman. Ah! Oh! Now let's take a look at Joker's boot kicker. So Batman's trying to find the Joker and he walks into this innocent looking alleyway. Turn this crank right here. Not so innocent after all. Here we have Joker's dizzy laughing wheel. Put Joker right here so you can spin it around, and then you put Batman or anyone else who's trying to give Joker a hard time in these Joker hands. They clip right in, and then it's time to spin them around. But the Joker doesn't get to have all the fun because Batman's able to knock the Joker into the chemical vat. Oh, and spin him around. Well, the Joker Laff Factory's pretty awesome, and now it's time to see what's inside the mystery Joker Play-Doh egg surprise. Alright, let's start with his nose. Boop. Thanks for your nose, Joker. Take out his eyes, his eyebrows. Take that smile, wipe that smile off your face, Joker. Let's take off that wig. Alright, Hobby Kid, go ahead and open it up. Come on, tear it to pieces.
It's gonna be.
Hey, take a look at that. Crabzag's DC characters. Let's see who's inside. Oh, we got a stand. That's a start. Oh, wow, it's Batman! Cool! That's a pretty cool Batman. I like his pose, like he's flying through midair. Awesome. Well, that's it, Hobby Kids. Thanks for playing. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for some more awesome Imaginext Batman Play-Doh action! Yay!